St. Catherine man charged for allegedly raping woman while accompanying her home. Man gunned down in Denham Town. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police in St. Catherine have charged a man for allegedly raping a woman who he was accompanying home after attending a party. He is 31-year-old Jerome Hurt, a farmer of Waterford Guides Hill District, St. Catherine, who has been charged with rape and indecent assault. Hurt was charged on Monday, July 15, following a question and answer session. His court date is being finalized. Reports from the Spanish Town Police are that about 2:03 a.m. on Sunday, May 5, Hurt was asked to accompany the woman home after they attend a party. While walking along a roadway, Hurt allegedly lured the woman to a dark area where he reportedly sexually assaulted her. A report was made and an investigation launched. A man was shot and killed in Denham Town, West Kingston on Monday night. The deceased has been identified by his alias Duday of a North Street address in the parish. Reports from the Denham Town Police states that the victim was standing along the roadway at about 9:50 p.m. when an armed man shot him multiple times in the upper body. The man then escaped on foot in nearby communities. The police responded to the loud explosions and saw Duday lying on his back in a pool of blood.